Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this Young Fit under desk elliptical. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up. We're gonna try it out and I'll show you what it looks like. This under desk elliptical comes 98% pre-installed, which is so convenient to be able to use whether for elderly or even people with limited mobility. It also has the unique trolley design that makes it easy to carry around and to store when we're not using it. This compact elliptical machine fits all kinds of office desks, and it's a great option to get some exercise in while we are working. Plus, the auto exercise and the quiet, smooth feature does not distract us with loud noises as we are multitasking. There are several different modes to choose from. We have the auto mode as well as the manual mode, and there's several different speed options as well. Plus, we can either pedal forward or reverse depending on our needs. This is such a great option to have on hand even while we are working, watching TV, or reading books to be able to get some exercise in. If you are in the market for an easy to use and easy to store under desk elliptical, either for yourself or to give as a gift for an upcoming holiday, you won't want to miss out on this.